Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness. And you are destined for greatness too. Copy your merch, ladies and gentlemen. Copy some greatness. Go to greatnessbrand.com, type in the coupon code IMGRTNSS, and you'll receive a discount. So go do that and come back to this video. But in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to be teaching you guys how to scalp the Forex market. I did just make a video, my last video on it. In my opinion, the quality was terrible. I am currently using my 13 Pro Max right now. So let me know how you like the quality on this one compared to my other videos, okay? So yes, I'm gonna give you a more updated, clear-cut version of how to scalp the Forex market on the 5-minute chart. If you are liking these videos, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, we're about to hop over on the desktop in 3, 2, 1. Just worked a 16-hour shift, by the way. Step outside your comfort zone. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am here on the desktop, and as always, the website that we're going to be using today is tradingview.com. Tradingview.com, free account. You have up to 3 indicators. Just make an account. You need this. I use TradingView to indicate, and I use MetaTrader to put my charts in. So like I said, I'm going to be teaching you how to scalp the 5-minute chart. We're going to be using EU today. I feel like EU is a great beginner pair to start on. It's not too volatile, which means it doesn't move too violent. It's not very sporadic. So EU is very cool, calm. You click on what pair you want to click on. I'm going to hit chart. And ladies and gentlemen, I also have questions if I do one-on-one training. I do one-on-one training. Just DM me or follow my Instagram at gr8.NSS, or email me at greatnessbrand.com and we can set up one-on-ones. Sometime this year or maybe next year, but within the near future, I will be creating a Greatness Academy, and I will be teaching you how to trade in an academy in a community. So as you see here, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to EU. And the first thing first, before you start scalping, you have to understand that, one, you are scalping. So do not put trades on the 5-minute trying to take an hourly profit or trying to stretch it out to hourly stop losses. If you're trading on the 5-minute, you need to stay on the 5-minute, and that means you need to be taking small profits and small losses. Do not go from a 5-minute scalp to a swing, because you're going to mess yourself up. Secondly, you need to be trading on a correct size. Scalping, whatever you're thinking, what number you have, trade smaller than that. Let those small wins add up versus you do a couple big wins and then you have a big loss. You do a couple big wins and then you have a big loss. Let these small trades add up. And then if there is a case to where you feel you can continue to trade, because you're on a small enough size, you can continue to trade. So the first thing first that I do, I go to the hourly, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to give you examples here. I will go to the hourly and I will try to find a zone. Here is another tip. In a trending market, you're going to want to buy on the close or sell on the close in a trending market. In a ranging market, you want to buy low and sell high. So when you're in a ranging market, which means it's just ranging, you want to buy high, buy low, sell high. So as you can see, we've been ranging. This is a perfect example, ladies and gentlemen. So we go here, and I will go about here. So if you look at this zone, literally, we touch up here, we come back down. We touch up here, we come back down. If you want to move this up to here, you can. So we go up here, come back down, go up here, come back down, go up. This is a ranging market. So, and you can look, and this is obviously in hindsight, but you can go long here, you can go short here, up here, you can go long down here. And this is live now, but we have touched here again. So if I was scalping, this is a live trade. If I was to do this, I would enter in here, put my stop loss below here and trade it. But you need to understand when you are scalping in a ranging market, you need to only trade the extremes. Do not trade in the middle of this area. Only the extremes. It is called buy low and sell high. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, it's called buy low and sell high for a reason, because those are the two extremes. In a ranging market, you only want to trade the extremes, which are out here and out here. Do not trade in this box. Do not trade in the middle. Only trade out here and out there. And that's simply so you can get the best risk to reward. I have it laid out. So this is clear cut. Do not overcomplicate it, ladies and gentlemen. It's nothing more else for me to say. If you're in a ranging market, if you see the market consolidating, ranging, whatever you want to call it, mark your zones, wait for the two extremes. So it gets down here, get in here. If it gets up, if it goes high, sell low. If it buys low, sell buy low, you know. Now, what do we do in a trending market on the 5-minute time frame? So you see here, ladies and gentlemen, we are in a downtrend. When you are on a downtrend or an uptrend, any type of a trending market, you want to buy on close and sell on close. So we can't use this. Well, for this sake, because this is a trending, I'll show you the power of the 5-minute. We're going to take this downtrend right here, which is just an hourly downtrend. In the overall terms, we're still consolidating. But for this case, I'm going to take the box here. So we're in this box, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go down to the 5-minute. So you see, this is a trending market on the 5-minute. How would you scalp this? So I've already went over what to do in a consolidation or a trading range, and you want to buy low and sell high at the extremes. What do you do when you are now in a trending market? A trending market for selling is going to be lower lows and higher lows. For a trending market of a bull cycle, you have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You see, this is trending up, this is trending down, but really this is a trading range overall, because we went up and now we're coming back down. So when you are in a trending market, you want to either buy on the close or sell on the close. So what does that mean? This candle came here, well, we'll wait. So we broke the 20 EMA, retested. I would say we started trending here. So the moment you see any candle like this, any big engulfing candle on a trending market, enter. That is and I am not a financial advisor, so enter and do things at your own risk. I'm just telling you what works for me. In a trending market, if I see any type of bullish or bearish engulfing candle, I am going to enter in. Where am I going to put my stop loss? I'm going to put my stop loss above that candle or below that candle. That's why you need to trade small enough, because most cases there's going to be a big stop loss. But when you have higher risk, you have a better chance of a better reward. When you have lower risk, vice versa. So in this case, you're going to want to make your stop loss above or below that engulfing candle. And at any time your candle closes below or above your previous candle, those are all good entries. Obviously, you don't want to stack up your trades, but so I'll explain. You will enter in on this engulfing candle. I'm going to wait for another candle to close below here before I enter in again. So you can enter in here, and you can make your stop loss this wick, or you can make your stop loss the same stop loss that you had before, which is that big engulfing candle. So you see how you use this big engulfing candle and how we haven't even came close to breaking above it. It's because you're in a trending market. If you try to do something like this in a ranging market, it's not going to work. I am emphasizing this because it's very important that you understand what type of market that you're trading in, and that's going to then determine how you are supposed to trade. And it's just as simple, ladies and gentlemen. So here you can enter in here. I could also enter in here, 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 here. As long as you're entering on the closes. One is closes below, and when it closes below, you can make that same candle your stop loss. So for instance, let's just say we want to get in here. I can make this now my stop loss because I know that this was a big engulfing candle, and if price breaks above or below that candle, there's no reason for you to be in the trade. Do not hope any trades will go your way. Follow the market as it is going. So I hope this video is simple for you guys. I mean, it doesn't really get more easier than this. It's about practicing and understanding that failing is a part of practice. It is this simple, ladies and gentlemen. You may watch the videos and be like, I hope I did teach you something. But if you feel like I didn't teach you anything, it's because you're not trading. When you trade, the more that you trade, the more that you understand that it is this simple. It is this simple. In a trending market, let's look at a bull case. So we're going to go look at a bull case. In a trending bullish, you enter in here, make your stop loss here. Anytime you closed above, you could have got in on any of these candles, on this candle. And you can see that in hindsight, it worked. In the market has inertia. So these things that you're seeing the market do is going to continue to do it. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wrap this video up. I genuinely hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you feel the quality is a lot better. If you did enjoy this video and the quality, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below that you enjoyed this video. We're on our way up in 2022. I have dropped a good amount of videos and I'm not stopping no time soon. I actually like how simple it is recording on my iPhone. So more videos are coming soon for sure. Once again, if you want to learn how to trade, DM me or email me. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness. And you're destined for greatness too. Enjoy this video, keep trading, and don't be afraid to fail. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Peace. Such a